Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a drop shadow from an object on CapCut PC. So right click on the video and select copy and select paste, and I need to go to cutout first and select auto cutout, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then after that I'm going to add in a background. You can actually do it here, select the video, go to basic, go to canvas and select either color or style. I'm just going to choose this white color. And then on this video, I want to move it upward, and add in this background instead. And then on the first video, you are going to go to adjustments, and you're going to turn down the saturation, turn down the brightness, and turn down the contrast. You're just going to move it, and as you can see, it creates this kind of shadow like on the video. You can also adjust the highlight, but you can see that it's starting to create a shadow, like a silhouette, I guess. And here you can even go back to video and adjust like the opacity if that's too harsh for you. But as you can see, that is basically it. Just adjust the contrast, highlight, shadow, and the brightness as well, and also the saturation to this. So just adjust these, just screenshot it if you want to so you don't forget. But as you can see, it creates this like shadow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!